Hi, everyone. Thanks for sticking around. I'm here to talk to you about Valence. And Valence is our battle-tested, market-driven solution for helping you to run your ICOs. And our goals have been to make the product safe, compliant, and user-oriented. In 2017, our team helped 5 companies using the Valence platform raise more than $180 million. And when most people embark on the ICO process, they just see the top of the iceberg. They see the simple problems. I'm going to write a smart contract, and I'm going to throw it out there. But the reality is that just doing a smart contract won't cut it anymore. There are a lot of additional features that are going to be needed, and that's where the Valence platform comes in. In addition to the features, there's also a huge risk. Ernst & Young says 10% of ICOs lose funds as a result of attacks. That's your investors' money, or that's your token purchasers' money, and that's a very serious thing. So to help combat these things, we've isolated the 5 challenges that companies face when they're launching their ICOs. The first is that when the demand comes, a lot of times the systems fail. The second is that they can only accept ETH, and now given the plethora of currencies, users want to invest or purchase tokens with multiple currencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. And there's also a real difficulty on dealing with funds that are sent from exchanges. A lot of the smart contracts will send them back to the exchanges, and customers will lose their tokens. And then finally, there's always the hacking and scamming, and we've had Paul from MetaCert talk a lot about that. We've seen our fair share of those as well. And then there's tracking the token sale from kind of a marketing and a follow-up perspective. And so to solve all these problems, we have written Valence. It's a white label token solution. So unlike a lot of other products on the market where you have to fit into their kind of cookie cutter template or their Kickstarter looking page, we allow you to fully brand it. We focus on security, legal compliance, which has obviously been a big theme of this conference as well. And just to kind of go through, one of the key things is all of the smart contracts that we use have been audited by OpenZeppelin, and we also integrate with a Ledger hardware wallet, so the funds stay securely in the control of you. We've done a lot of performance testing to make sure that the system stays up. We've tested up to 100,000 concurrent users going through the checkout, and we have a dedicated QA team that's always helping us to keep bugs out of the product. In addition, there's a focus on compliance. So there's been a lot of talk of KYC and AML. And for those of you who don't know, KYC means know your customer, and AML stands for anti-money laundering. And so we've integrated Identity Mind into the platform, so your team can know that you're servicing legitimate customers. In addition to that, we have an integration with DocuSign that allows you to quickly have your customers sign any sort of legal agreement that your team comes up. So whether it's SAFE, and I heard another one called DATE at this conference, or whatever agreement's next, our platform will be able to do that. Additionally, we really help out the marketing teams. And this is a feature that a lot of developers want to overlook, but we've really embraced it head on. Marina is one of our co-founders, and she's run really great marketing teams and really helped us to build referral tracking. We can tell you every step of the process that the user's on, from KYC to DocuSign to refund wallets. We have a Zapier integration, so the marketers can connect our system to any other system that they want to be able to send out emails. We've also integrated with a custom email provider. So many of you may know MailChimp has decided that crypto people aren't worth sending emails for anymore. So we have a solution to help you with that, and we're always developing new features. In addition to that, as I've mentioned, it is a white label solution. So you're able to quickly give us a design, and we'll implement it on our platform so that it matches your company's look and feel, your branding. We have API access so that you can keep progress bars and token counts on your website. And we've spent a lot of time optimizing the checkout flow. We can have all this rolled out in 10 working days. And the final note that I always like to tell people is, you're only going to do the ICO once, and it's kind of a one-time event for you. And we highly recommend using a system like Valence because it saves your developers from working on a system that's going to be used for a week and then gone. And you can take all that energy and burn out building your real product instead of building your ICO. And so we'd love to talk with you. If you see me or any of the other Element team around, feel free. We can get you started in just 10 days. Thank you.